How to log in to Outlook. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, open your web browser and navigate to www.outlook.com. Then on the Outlook homepage, you will see the sign in button in the top right corner of your screen, then simply click on it. On the sign in page, all you have to do is type in the email address associated with your Outlook account. This could be an outlook.com, hotmail.com, or live.com email address. After you do so, simply tap on the next option available there and enter your password. Type in your password associated with your Outlook account and click sign in. If you have two factor authentication 2FA enabled, you may need to enter a security code sent to your phone or email or use an authentication app. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Outlook inbox where you can check your emails, manage your calendar, and use the other Outlook features. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.